Hi, everybody. It's Jenny from the Missouri Star Quilt Company. Boy, that sounds big. This is going to be my last Tuesday Newsday for a while, and so we just want to talk about some really fun things. And I want Annie to show you my desk because this is what your desk looks like after birthday bash. Everything everywhere. There are some really special things I'm going to talk about on my desk, that's for sure. So first, let's talk about Birthday Bash. It was so much fun. The streets were alive. The cakewalks were hopping. We learned some new dances. We had all kinds of show. We had a fun new event called a trunk show with the Dones, and where people brought their quilts and shared them, and that was really sweet. Sweet to see all those quilts. You know, when you make quilts at the rate that I do, then there's so many that you just, gosh, it's like to see all those was just really fun. All those old things, all the old quilts. All right, we had Elvis show up to our birthday bash. That was pretty fun. That was Missy Lukanen's husband. She's from the Little Green Bean, so you might check her out online. She does an amazing job. She's always been a crafter. Well, now for the last 2 years, she's a quilter, and that happened largely because she did our Doan Girls Sew Off one year. At Birthday Bash as well. So we love her. We're glad to have them on board. And obviously they get our humor. He showed up as Elvis for real, like the real Elvis. We had a parade. We had, Ron and I got to be the Grand Marshals, which is fun, except then you can't watch everybody in the parade. And one of my little grandsons rode his bike. He was super excited to do that. And, you know, they're all the grandkids and the kids were on a float. And I mean, it's just so much fun to see. We had the vendors in the parade. Oh gosh, lots of fun. All right, so we added some shows this year to Birthday Bash, which I think were fun. We did a Rise and Shine with the Doan Girls. We did a triple play with the Doan Girls. And so as Natalie and Misty go about, you know, I'm only going to miss one Birthday Bash. Did you realize that? Only one. So this next Birthday Bash, I'm sure they will do those things as, what are you girls calling that, your name?
Double take.
Double take. I love that, double take. And so you'll be doing double takes with them for like a solid time. I don't even know. But anyway, they're going to be, I'm sure they'll keep on some of those fun shows, and so you'll get to do that as well. If you don't think next year, because they know that, you know, I'm not actually going to be here physically, a lot of people are like, well, maybe I won't, you know. I'm like, I'm telling you, it's going to be over the top, because they still want people to come. And, you know, there might be a chance for me to do a little zooming. You know, I'm pretty good at zooming around, so we might be a chance to do some of that, which I think, you know, I'm pretty excited about that already. I want to show you what's happening. So, so many gifts, wonderful gifts. You know, everything from the chocolate chuck, little zipper pouches, things to carry things in. I think these have to rank in the top 10 though. These, I don't know if you know what these are. Let's see, I'm not sure they go this way or this way. Probably this way. But these are so you can eat Cheetos and still sew. You can pick up a Cheeto, pretend that's a Cheeto, pop it in your mouth, and you don't get any orange dust on your fingers when you're sewing. This is genius. This is genius. So I love this. Somebody gave me one of these. I hope you can buy them somewhere because everybody needs a pair. Everybody needs a pair of these. They're awesome. So we also recently did a homespun with Misty that came out, and I love that she and I got a chance to sit and talk. She's a brilliant girl. I mean, I said to her, all those questions, they were so perfect, and everyone I listened to, I just feel like she does such a great job at the questions and, you know, getting to some of the things that are a little more than just the surface stuff. And so homespun is a great catch. You can catch that on YouTube for sure. Then also, let's see what else. Oh, this Friday's tutorial. Now, I have filmed tutorials clear through the end of the year. And so they are literally, you'll have tutorials till December. But Natalie has always been doing a tutorial along with me this year. And so hers comes out this week, and it's called Millie's Quilt. And she'll have to tell you why she named it that. I'm not sure. But I just got a look at the quilt this morning, and it is darling. It's another one of those that you go, how did she do that? And then you see it, and it's so simple and cute. So You guys are going to love that. And look forward to this Friday's tutorial with Natalie. And so also again, yeah, so we filmed the Jenny box stuff, Ron and I did. You know, we've done everything that we can, I think, to make this a fairly easy transition for you guys. And also I wanted to let you know, so if you want to follow my Africa stuff, it's going to be on my personal page. So most of it, you know, unless I send something specifically to Annie for, you know, for this about Africa that I want her to put on the Missouri Star page, all of it is going to be on my personal Instagram, which is Jenny MSQC. As many people as want to follow me can follow me on Jenny MSQC. If you are on Facebook, you can't have more than 5,000 followers. I've had that for 100 years, or 5,000 friends. But all the stuff from Jenny MSQC on Instagram goes over to that Facebook page. So you can actually follow my page without being a friend. So, I mean, you're still my friend. Let's face it, you know. But I just wanted to know where you're going to see all the stuff from Africa and be able to keep up on that kind of stuff. Because, you know, Missouri Star has its own set of things to get out. I just can't clog up their whole agenda, you know. So we're going to do that from my page, and I think that's going to work out really well. If we can get Mr. Ron to, you know, if he can figure out the camera thing, and, you know, he's always just looking at me, and the camera is pointed somewhere else with that. He's got that adoring, oh gosh, I just love her. And then the camera's looking at something else entirely, and I'm like, honey, what's behind me? Oh, there's a pole coming out of her head, you know.
He is really great at selfies, though.
He's really good at selfies. You're right. Maybe we'll just do the whole, we'll have
You'll
a
just do
selfie
selfie
journey.
videos.
We'll have a selfie journey, yeah. So Annie, are there any questions for us?
There are not, but have you read any of the comments on the Homespun episode?
I have not.
Oh, they are amazing.
Are they sweet?
They're amazing. They're so
People
sweet.
are so sweet to me, and so many prayers. And somebody asked me specifically, what would you like us to pray for specifically? And, you know, and even if you're not a prayer, you know, maybe you're a good thoughter, and those thoughts, I think all that comes out into the universe to work for our good. And so whatever you can do. But I thought, you know, pray for these girls. These girls are amazing women. They are well-seasoned, well-taught, creative, talented geniuses. They're both smarter than I am. You know, they're just amazing women, and they will need your love and help and kindness. And I know the whole world already loves them, but, you know, as a mom, you know, I would love to, you know, pray for the company, pray that we can keep feeding all the people that we feed, pray for that we can keep, you know, doing events that raise money for our food pantry. I mean, just all the things, because, you know, we're big enough that we are really, we can make a big difference. All of us working together, we can make a big difference in the world. So I'm going to have to go read those comments.
Let me read you a couple.
On Homespun. Okay.
Let me read you a couple.
Are you want to make me cry? Are you going to make me cry?
Maybe.
Wait, maybe I'll have to hide. I'm just going to hide for a minute here. I brought some. I'm just going to hide for a minute. All right, read me a comment. I'm ready.
Jenny, my grandparents served a mission in Africa 30 years ago. It was one of the highlights of their lives and something they talked about with a sparkle in their eye. Now that they've both passed away, I'm even more in awe of their courage in leaving their home and family behind and trusting that everything would be okay in their absence. The sacrifices you and Ron are making will bring abundant blessings to your family and joy to you all forever. I love you and pray that you will be blessed every step of your journey.
Oh my gosh. They're so sweet. People are so kind to me. Thank you for being so kind and so sweet. All the prayers, all the love. This is up and coming time. Wait here. I think I need my mask on again. I'll try this one. I said to Annie, we're going to do this. Annie said, we're going to do this whole thing in masks this morning. You know, look at this. Look at this dress. Look at this dress this gal brought me. And she brought it to me from Africa.
You're trying to change the subject?
Yes.
You're just trying to change the mood a little bit?
Yeah, here we go.
All right.
There we go.
Oh, Jenny, I can't tell you how much you have changed my life for the better. I stumbled upon one of your older tutorials and I was hooked. I was in a dark place and your soothing voice and encouraging words while you taught me how to quilt lifted me up. Thank you so much. I'm selfishly going to miss your presence via YouTube, but will continue to tune in to see Natalie and Misty. Much love from Oregon.
the comments are so incredible. One comment I loved, the gal said, as a Christian woman, I am so happy for you. I'm so delighted that you're going to go, obviously we're teaching people, and so the fact that she's a Christian, I think, is awesome, which I am also, but it's not the word that matters in this sentence. It's the, she's so proud of me, so excited for what I'm going to do, so excited for what Ron and I are going to do and how we're going to teach. And then she said, but as a quilter, I throw my body into the street because there's nobody like you. I'm just like, this is my favorite. This is so fun. All right, go ahead. We're in it. Give me another one.
I know you've heard this a lot, Jenny, but you have taught me how to love quilting. I have learned that I am very much a visual learner, so your tutorials have transformed my sewing life. I know Misty and Natalie are going to do great, but I will miss seeing you every week. Godspeed to you and Ron on your mission.
One of the things I've enjoyed over the years, as Misty and Natalie and I have started doing things together, is watching the comments on when we do a triple play. And it's almost like, we got Team Misty, we got Team Natalie, we got Team Jenny. And the comments, are almost always about the girls and their style of teaching and how fabulous they are. And can I say, I'm so proud of them. They're just so awesome. Girls, do you want to come pop your heads in here? And
Absolutely not.
they're over there bawling. Jake's in here too. Yeah, well, I don't think anybody cares if we have makeup on or not. I had makeup on, and it's probably mostly gone at this point. But we don't know if this little morning moment of love that I get to share with you every week. Oh, love you. I love you girls so much. You are going to do amazing and wonderful things. And you're just so awesome. I couldn't love you anymore.
We love you.
And I'm so proud of what you're going to do, and I know you guys are proud of me too.
We are.
You're
This is
amazing.
a whole different lane we're going to take, and
It's going to be quite an adventure.
I know. I wish I could be a fly on the wall though
I know.
in Africa to
Yeah.
see how everything goes with you and all those people that are just gonna.
me too. I can hardly wait to see all the things.
They don't know how lucky they are.
They do not. It's going to be so good. So good.
Oh, you guys, I love you so much, and you're going to be so good as well.
Oh, thank you.
And to you out there, thank you for all the love and the caring and hanging in with this while this kind of. I wanted to make some torches to hand off, This adventure happens,
It
right?
is an adventure.
Jake, come poke your head in and say hi.
We're not taking a torch. We're just keeping the lights on while you're gone.
There we go. I love that.
That's it.
They were not taking a charge. We're just keeping the lights on.
I love
Jake,
that.
we need you to come in here and here, can you
I don't even
eat
go
one of those
here.
cupcake shops?
Eat a
those
cookie?
one where you're
Oh, a cookie.
look at these
Am I in there?
cookies. Are you in
Cookies
there?
are so good.
Those are so
They're
cute.
decorated so cute.
They're so
Look
great.
at
Oh,
these.
the gifts
This is
are
the cookie
amazing.
lady.
Yeah, the gifts are amazing that
Those
people
are so
send.
cute.
Right?
She's been bringing us cookies for
I mean-
years.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
I mean, a little Christmas sweater coaster.
That's
I mean, so many things. We even got the aspirin out here.
Hey,
That's what it takes to get through
That's-
birthday bash.
prepping for a sewing session.
Exactly.
All right. Well, you
love
guys,
that.
thank you so much for sharing this journey with us.
This is the goodbye.
This is the
goodbye.
This is
last
it. Yeah.
episode.
Anybody else want to
This
wear a
was the last
mask?
episode, but
Yeah,
my first
Tuesday
episode.
Newsday.
Tuesday Newsday.
Yeah, maybe we'll have Jake do Tuesday Newsday. Jake and
you go.
Al. They can do.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
I don't know if that's a good idea. Anyway, we love you all so much, and hang in there. We're just 2 years, and we'll see you soon. Bye, everybody. Love you.
Bye.